Hello there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Today we'll be talking about your competitors' worst reviews are your best SEO research. Most businesses read their own reviews. Almost nobody reads their competitors' reviews. Buried inside every one-star review your competitor has ever received is a real person describing a real problem that wasn't solved. A problem your SEO or your business might solve better. Here's how you turn that into a deliberate advantage. The first thing you need to know is that one-star reviews are the most honest keyword research you'll ever find. Traditional keyword research tells you what people search for. Negative reviews tell you why they are searching in the first place. When someone leaves a one-star review, they're not just being strategic. They're describing their actual experience in their own words. Those words are the exact phrases your potential customers type into Google when they're frustrated and looking for an alternative. That's not a marketing insight. That's a keyword list written by your future customers for free. Now let's look at how to mine competitor reviews for content opportunities. Go to every platform your competitors review on. Things like Google Business, Trustpilot, Capterra, industry directories. Filter for the lowest ratings and read every single one. You are looking for three things. Recurring complaints. That is a problem that's appearing across 10 different reviews. And those types of complaints are genuine weaknesses in their offering. Next, you are looking for specific language. The raw, unfiltered words real customers use to describe their frustration. Third, you are looking for unmet expectations, what they thought they were buying versus what they actually got. The gap is exactly where your content should live. The next thing you need to do is to build content that captures the buyers your competitors have lost. The person who left that review is gone, but thousands like them haven't even bought yet, and they're searching for reassurance before they commit. If the recurring complaint is hidden fees, publish a genuinely transparent pricing page and write content around the honest pricing in your industry. If it's slow customer service, create content around your response time commitment. If their product fails smaller businesses, write directly to smaller businesses explaining why yours doesn't. You're not guessing what your audience needs. You're reading it directly from people who already tried the alternative and got burned. Next, you need to make this a habit. Set up a monthly review audit for your top 3 competitors. Every month, read their newest negative reviews across every platform. Look for emerging complaints, problems appearing for the first time. Those are early signals. People will be searching for solutions to them within weeks. Also, set up Google alerts for your competitors' brand names, combined with words like problem, complaint, and alternative. This gives you a real-time feed of customer frustration to build content around. The businesses that do this consistently don't just react to their market, they stay ahead of it. Your competitors spent years earning those negative reviews. The least you can do is use them. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.